So I'm painting a landscape with just 3 colours. Now why 3 colours? Because they're the primaries. And if I mix them together, I can get various combinations which will give me other colours like oranges and greens and so on. Now I'm using 3 colours that I have in my palette, but of course I could use a different 3. I'm working wet in wet, and it's classic watercolour technique. I'm using pale colours first, very wet and diluted, and I'm going to gradually make them stronger as the painting progresses. I'm deliberately cooling them off in the background, so I've got my blues, greens, purples in the background, and my yellows and oranges and so on towards the front. As the picture progresses, I'm using more pigment and less water, and that stops the movement of the paint, and I can start to build up shapes and refine them a little bit as I go. So this is just an imaginary landscape, but these exercises are just great fun for learning how to paint with watercolour, just playing around with pigments and seeing what happens. They're great for developing both your control of the water, which is really important, and the colour too. So if you've enjoyed this, there's lots more on my Patreon channel, including the full version of this demonstration. Otherwise, please like and subscribe, and join me again for more tips about painting with watercolours.